Hey yo guys, welcome to my another video. I am IG and today I'm gonna talk about how to clear up your Windows junk file that you can't able to do that. Just for example, this windows.old file, it's well over 10 GB. Alright, almost 30 GB. I can't delete if you try to shift delete, you can't able to delete. Yeah. So yeah, so right now I have only 55.5 GB free in my NVMe SSD. So let's check out how to delete that. Open your settings, go to your systems, open storage settings. In install app you can't see much. If you just wanna check out what the process you don't use, I mean the apps you don't use, just click it and install. There are a lot of apps, just find them, and if you see there is a app that you don't use, just click uninstall. And now here you can see that there is a lot of files. There is downloaded files and there is previous Windows files, that because I upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So just click everything. If you click, just make sure if you delete your downloaded files, then your downloaded files will be deleted. Everything in your download folder will be deleted. So make sure if you want to delete that, or just go to your download files and delete selective files that you want to delete. All right, just click. So I'm just gonna click everything and remove. Yes, continue please. And here everything will be gonna delete. Just make sure and wait. Purging previous window installation. Damn, this gonna take a lot of time. I'm gonna uh, make it fast for you guys, so you guys don't have to wait for this long video. Hell no, that this is gonna take a lot of time. The best thing is I should pause this video and I'll be right back when this is completed. Okay, pause. Alright, I'm back. As soon as I click at the pause button, it just completed. So let me rescan. 9.75 MB. Oh, I want every fucking KB. Okay, so let's just click run and type temp. Yeah, please continue. Select all, shift delete, select all and skip. Again, percentage temp. Oh, yeah. Control all, shift delete. Yes, please. Select all, skip. And now type prefetch. Ch prefetch. Yes, please continue. Select all, shift delete. For those boomers who can't do this thing, these easy things, they just download these PC manager. It's in still in beta, so yeah, you can use this deep cleanup and all that stuff. This is also easy. You can also use storage sense, but I'm not gonna use because if something got deleted that I want to use after 2 to 3 months, then I will be smashing my head on the desk. So choose wisely, read everything before selecting anything. Also, you can boost your RAM besides doing this and all this stuff, clearing RAM and all that stuff. You just click boost and you're good to go. There is no temp files. Memory is used below 40%. 40% RAM is getting used right now. A open task manager, performance 5.3 GB. Okay, second a lot of RAM. Maybe I should go to 32 GB RAM now. Alright, that is it. My name is Infamous Gamer, and now I'm on fucking live gonna play Tekken Tag Tournament 2. I just downloaded.